What you guys got, another video, Windows 11 as a hidden screen tint, and here's how to use it. Inside the new Windows preview builds, Microsoft are testing a new screen tint feature. You need to be on this particular build to be able to test it, but I'll show you how it all works in this video. Now, if you've been using Windows for any length of time, you'll know that there is a nightlight feature in Windows, which a lot of people do use. It protects your eyes from blue light to help you sleep better. It also helps from dry eyes and also sore eyes from looking at the screen for long periods. It's been available in Windows 10 and Windows 11 for quite some time, but now it appears that Microsoft is working on this new screen tint, and maybe they're thinking about doing away with the old school nightlight feature in Windows. Now, I've been using the nightlight feature for many years. It does help with sore eyes. I do suffer with dry eye syndrome, and this does help quite a lot. I have the orange on the screen turned up quite a lot, and in the evening when I'm working and I'm looking at a white screen or doing a bit of coding, it basically takes off that white glare and stops the blue light from damaging your eyes. And it does actually work quite well, and you'll be surprised how quick you adjust and adapt to the nightlight orange glare on the screen. Now, in the accessibility inside Screen Tint, this is where it's going to be located once it's been released to the general public. It says, show a color overlay on your display to reduce eye strain and improve viewing comfort. If you turn this on, you've got some options like Calm Amber. This is effect for long screen usage. Rose Tint reduces migraine triggers and fluorescent sensitivity. You've got the soft yellow, which helps with visual stress and reducing discomfort. Cool blue, which is useful for glare sensitivity, particularly in brighter environments. You have gentle green, relief from photophobia and white backgrounds, and neutral grey helps those who find a stark black and white contrast fatiguing. And you've also got view colours, which allows you to create custom tints on your screen. So if you're looking at the screen for long periods of time and you're doing quite a bit of work, maybe late at night, and you've got a very bright monitor, and let's face it, monitors are getting brighter and brighter by the year. So you can see you can use either the RGB or the hash codes, or you can do the red, green and blue and put in the numbers right here. And when you've chosen your particular color that you like, you can click OK. And then you've got your strength bar here, which is adjusting the strength of it. So I think this is a great added feature and something that will improve on the nightlight, which is something that has been around for quite a period of time now. And it's just been a little bit basic, whereas this is giving you a much more advanced eye protection on your screen. So for me, it's a big thumbs up, and hopefully they release it very soon. And Microsoft are being true to their word. They are actually working on a lot of other improvements for Windows 11, and hopefully they can release these very soon, and they are hopefully bug free. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. I'll be releasing more videos of these new features that are going to be released from Microsoft in up and coming videos, so stay tuned for those. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who join my YouTube members group. I do appreciate the support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.